Bitcoin just fell about 50%. Everyone's asking if it's over. I'm doing the opposite, and here's why, with the charts. This isn't financial advice. It's my thesis. So let me actually show you the data. Bitcoin topped near $126,000 last October. Today it's around 60, down 50%. The headlines are pure fear, but fear is exactly when I start paying attention. So chart 1. This is the 200-week moving average. In 2015, 2018, and 2022, it caught the exact bottom. Right now, price is sitting directly on that line again. Historically, that's where accumulation begins, not ends. Chart 2, valuation. The MVRV ratio is about 1.1. Past tops printed way up here, in euphoria. Translation, at these levels you're buying near fair value, not at a blow-off top. That matters. Chart 3, who's buying? Whale wallets just hit a 2026 high, and long-term holders flipped to net buyers. While retail panic sells the dip, the patient money is quietly scooping it up and moving it to cold storage. Chart 4, demand. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have pulled in around $58 billion since launch. For the first time ever, big institutions have a regulated, standing bid for Bitcoin. That floor didn't exist last cycle. And new supply? After the 2024 halving, only about 450 coins are minted a day. A demand floor against a shrinking trickle of new coins. That's the core of the scarcity bet. Now the honest part. I'm not delusional. Here's what could blow this thesis up. ETFs also had outflows in May. Inflation is sticky, the Fed is on hold, and tight money is a real headwind. The cycle could be late. That 200-week line can break. The market can stay irrational longer than you can. So I don't go all in. I dollar cost average. Small, regular buys I can stomach if it drops more. And I hold my own keys. Not your keys, not your coins. Self-custody, always. I stack and trade on Apex. 24/7, no KYC. Links in the description if you want it. So that's the thesis. Fair value, smart money accumulating, a structural demand floor, and shrinking supply. None of this is a promise. Bitcoin could absolutely go lower. I just like the risk and reward right here. Buying when it's scary is hard. That's usually the point. Do your own research and size it so you can sleep. That's why I'm buying here. Not advice, just my reasoning. Thanks for watching.